點樣可以戴頭盔呢？ In Hong Kong, there's a survival skill called putting on a helmet. It basically means setting up a safety net so that you don't get blamed when things don't work out. 亦即係我哋廣東話嘅戴頭盔，即係去講一啲嘢去保護自己，以防萬一。But how do you do this in English? 如果我哋想用英文去戴頭盔呢，我哋可以講 But I can't promise anything. But I can't promise anything. But I can't promise anything. 但係我唔能夠保證啲乜嘢。我會嘗試今晚完成，但係我唔能夠保證啲乜嘢。I'll try to finish tonight. But I can't promise anything. 我會嘗試最遲7點到達，但我唔能夠保證啲乜嘢。I'll try to be there by 7. But I can't promise anything. 我可以嘗試同佢傾下，但我唔能夠保證啲乜嘢。I can talk to her. But I can't promise anything. 我可以問經理攞折扣，但我唔能夠保證啲乜嘢。I can ask my manager for a discount. But I can't promise anything. 唔知你有冇嘗試過承諾一樣嘢，但係要戴頭盔呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 comment、like 同 share。想揾私人英文補習老師呢，就歡迎私信我。想支持我繼續拍片或者想輕鬆地揾翻啲過去拍過嘅題材呢，就歡迎訂閱我嘅 Patreon 平台。咁每個星期都會有會員專屬影片嘅。